Now to those power outages where big progress has been made. The Lansing Board of Water and Light has made significant restoration efforts. It reported 3,200 remaining outages earlier Sunday, but expects that to drop to 1,200 by midnight. Consumers Energy has all power restored in Clinton County and fewer than 50 people in Eaton and Ingham counties. Trying to deal with the growing frustration of those who are still in the dark, the BWL will open 3 walk-in centers on Monday where people can get specific restoration information and confirm whether reports of outages and down lines are in the BWL system. The centers will be open from 8:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. One will be located at the BWL Customer Service Center at 1232 Hayco Drive. The other will be at the BWL Rio Town Headquarters, their new building at 1201 South Washington Avenue. The third will be at the Hanna Community Center in East Lansing, that's 819 Abbott Road.